And action! Hi team, it's Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Today I want to try and inspire you with a couple of ideas if you're going to be testing this fall. Think of these as sort of thoughts, words of wisdom. Take them, use them to help motivate you to pass the exams, okay? Let's take a look at the first few. Let's go. And so if we know we got to pass these exams and these tests actually count, what I want you to do in this class is I want you to think about this class and this test. I want you to turn the test that you have to take into a game. And we're going to do this game. We're going to play it like a game. We're going to play it like Caitlin Clark. Who's a new teacher again? Who said they're new? Right out of the gate, they're new. Who's new? New. Been teaching for a year or 2 or 3, right? If you're new, let's play like Caitlin Clark knew, right? Right out of the gate, okay? Winning games and playing that game, loving that game. All right, team, I hope you enjoyed these videos. If you did, I want you to give them a big thumbs up. Check out a GOHacademy workshop. You can go to GOHacademy.com at www.GOHacademy.com. Check out a class, tell a friend. I'll see you there. Take care, team. Bye-bye.